Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. You call me beating on the water neck of the A100 with a pair of channel locks. Thermostat stuck. The video we're about to show you is on this exact van. Now, a lot of you guys who follow us on, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, you're on YouTube, Haggerty.com, have seen a story on this van, the Dodge A100. We picked this van up from our buddy Milburn in Dallas about this time last year, and drove it back as a good way of making content for you guys, and it was a fun story and a fun adventure. Unfortunately, the guy we took with us, who was supposed to be handling all the video stuff, just never came through. He didn't fulfill his end of the bargain. So earlier this year, we went to his house, we cut 3 shorts together. He said he was on track, said he would have the rest of this stuff done shortly. Till this day, all we have are those 3 shorts. Last time I talked to him, he said he just didn't have time for the project anymore and he couldn't do it. So even though we spent the money to get him out there, he's just not going to fulfill his end of the bargain. So we've got to go back out there, recoup all the footage, but for now we want to get these going because a lot of you guys and gals out there have been asking, when are we going to see the videos on the A100? We want to see the A100 trip. So that's what we're going to do right now. So sit back, relax, enjoy this video. Like, share, and subscribe, please. It really helps us out a lot as we try to grow this channel. If you want shirts, hats, koozies, the links are in all of our descriptions. Rolling Heavy Magazine, BigCartel.com. And check it out. This exact koozie, leave a comment down below. We're going to pick one of our favorite comments and we're going to send this exact koozie to you guys just for fun. Okay, guys? Well, it's Saturday. We're going to get back to this because we got a lot of stuff to do today, as I'm sure you do. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the support, and we'll talk to you soon. Let's see if this thing starts now.
All right. Have you ever been to Dallas, Texas in the middle of October? It's actually a damn fine time to travel. Warm days, cool nights, and all you got to pack in your bag are layers. Well, my buddy Adam and I headed out there this past October in the middle of what we all now know as this global pandemic called COVID. It seems like a deal came up and I struck it, not thinking about how to pull it off. My buddy Milburn told me he had a problem. His dad had the 65 A100 they had shipped out from California a while back, and it had been sitting in his warehouse for the past 6 years, half apart. When he told me the price, I agreed without thinking. This is where Adam enters the story. So I talked to Adam, he was in, this was happening. I sourced airfare and started coordinating this adventure we had before us. On October 16th, 2020, at 1:30 p.m., we boarded Southwest Flight 0148 out of Burbank, California, eastbound and down for Dallas, Texas, with backpacks and sleeping bags on us, and that was about it. The rest of this trip we were going to have to figure out on the fly. When we got to Dallas, Milburn grabbed us from Love Field and we all headed straight to his shop to see what we'd gotten ourselves into. Lucky for us, Milburn had towed that van over to his place from his dad's a couple days earlier. We were going to get there and get down and figure out what was what. As we pulled away from the curb, Milburn asked us, "Are you guys sure this is a good idea?" Of course not. What choice do we have? We'd already flown halfway across the country. We were going to make it happen. Milburn backed us into our accommodations for the night across the street from his shop. We had furniture blankets for mattress pads, our sleeping bags, a bag of food his missus put together for us, 4 brick walls, a concrete floor, and a roof over our head. It wasn't cozy, but it'd keep us warm for the night and keep us dry. We were ready to start in the morning.
Oh, hey guys. Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. Well, that's the end of the first episode of the DallasToLA100. We really appreciate you guys watching. Again, if you dig it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Leave your comments, subscribe, share, all that stuff. We really appreciate it. It helps us grow the channel, man, and that's what we're really trying to do here. And if you want merch like t-shirts, hats, koozies, hell, even a copy of Rolling Heavy Magazine. The links and the web address are in our descriptions below, or it's Rolling Heavy Magazine, BigCartel.com. Super easy to find. And again, like we said in the beginning, this koozie we're going to give away to our favorite comment in the comments below. So one of you guys is going to get this koozie. So comment away, let us know what you think, tell us why you need this koozie. Also, this weekend, Born Free, the motorcycle show down in Silverado, California, Orange County. We'll be there with XXXXXland Corey. He's going to have his van on display. Come check it out. It's going to be a fun time. We're there Saturday and Sunday, both days. It's going to be a blast. Also, next weekend, Ventura, California, the Ventura Nationals, another great show. We'll have our booth there. We'll have about 15 rigs on display. It's going to be a total party. Come check it out. We'd love to see you out there. You can grab mags and merch there as well. We'll have all that stuff in hand. So that's it. We appreciate you guys so much. Thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you later. See ya. Bye.